Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the circle and understand one of its most important measurements, the diameter. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what a diameter is and how it relates to the radius. First, let us define what a circle actually is. A circle is a shape where every single point on its edge is exactly the same distance from the center. This center point is the heart of the circle, and everything is measured from here. This distance from the center to the edge has a special name. It is called the radius, often written as the letter R. No matter which direction you go, if you start at the center and stop at the edge, the distance is always the same. Now, let us look at the diameter. Written as the letter D, the diameter is a straight line that starts at one side of the circle and goes all the way to the other side. But there is one very important rule. It must pass through the center point. Why is the center point so important? Look at these two examples. The circle on the left has a line going through the center. That is a diameter. The circle on the right has a line that misses the center. That is not a diameter, it is just a chord. Remember, if it does not touch the center, it is not a diameter. Here is the secret connection between the radius and the diameter. Since a radius goes from the center to the edge, and a diameter goes from edge to edge through the center, a diameter is essentially just two radiuses put together back to back. One radius to the left and one radius to the right. This leads us to a very simple and powerful formula. D equals 2 times R. This means the diameter is always exactly twice the length of the radius. If you know the radius, you just double it to find the diameter. Let us try a quick calculation. If we have a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters, finding the diameter is easy. We just multiply 5 by 2. So, the diameter is 10 centimeters. Similarly, if the radius is 12 meters, the diameter would be 24 meters. To summarize what we learned today, the radius is the distance from the center to the edge. The diameter is the distance across the circle, passing through the center. And the most important rule to remember is that the diameter is always equal to 2 times the radius.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.